Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. So this will be a follow-up video on the first one that was just for 1 minute, the first video which I took on the day of delivery. And this won't be a normal review kind of video which you see on YouTube, like our great reviewers review the cars, the new cars or the old ones. This will be an owner review. I'll just share my owner experiences with you so that you can easily make your decisions if you want to go ahead with the Honda City or you want to go ahead with the competitors if you're planning to buy one. So I'm owning this since last 25 days, I guess. I took this on 23rd of August, and this car is huge in terms of length. Like I don't think you'll find any in this segment which has a length as this one. If you'll see this like face to face, this will be looking huge. Good alloys. In terms of looks, like it's very beautiful. It's decent. It's not all that sporty like the Verna, but it's a classic. It's a classic beauty. Most noticeable things would be this tail light. It has this one light over here, one light over here, and then the whole brake lights over here with the smoky face. Yes, and this is a blacked out portion. It has all the smoky effect like you have in the sports cars. Nice alloys as well, look beautiful, and nice headlights with DRLs, of course. So this is the mid variant VX. Then you have the ZX as the top variant, in which you have all LED headlamps. In this one, mid variant, you have projector headlamps. So you'll get a sunroof as well in this variant over here. And this is a big sunroof. It's bigger than the Vernas, the only competitor which has the sunroof in it. The touchscreen is good, it's responsive. I don't like these physical buttons though. I think these could have been a part of the screen itself, and these could have been touch sensitive controls. I don't like these physical buttons. Like these look obsolete to me. And press like this. So if you click on these, like these will look like old radio buttons type thing. I don't like this at all. These could have been touch sensitive. Otherwise everything is good. I think I didn't find any negatives, any major negatives in the car though. Apart from this, you will get controls for your sunroof over here, and then for the lights over here. This car has 6 airbags in it. So in terms of safety, it has got 5-star rating, NCAP rating of 5 stars, and the second model itself, like this one, has 6 airbags. In terms of speakers, it has 6 speakers. I think 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. No, I think in total there are 8. I think, I'm not sure. You can see them in the brochure maybe. I think it has a system of 8 speakers, including tweeters. I think 4 tweeters and 4 speakers. I think you can check that in the brochure. You'll get the brochure online. And in terms of mileage, I think it's giving me around 12 to 13 in city, and I haven't driven this on the highways yet. So once I plan a trip, I'll let you know what mileage I'm getting, but I expect it to give around 18-19 on highways if you drive well. Like if you don't go beyond 100, if you don't rev the engine too much, then I think it will give you around 18-19 comfortably. In city, it's giving around 12 to 13. Right now it's showing 10.4. Please don't consider that, because like right now also the car's ignition is on and it's on standstill. So because I'm making videos since last 5 or 6 days, that's why it's showing less. If you drive good, like if you don't rev the engine too much, you'll easily make out about 12-13 kilometers per liter in city, and on highways 18 to 19 for sure. And this car is very attractive in terms of looks. And if I show you the headlights, TRLs look very good on this one. Because there's so much sunlight, I don't think you'll be able to see the TRLs right now, but I have posted a video for 1 minute and that was taken at evening, so you'll be able to see the effect of the TRLs in that video. Looks are very good. It's a beautiful car, beautiful looking car. You won't find anything which is not looking good in this car. Everything looks just perfectly placed, perfectly designed. ठीक है, चलो फिर that's it. If you have any questions further, you can post them in the comment section and maybe I'll try to cover those if I can. I'll try making some more videos on this car though. I really like the car and I'll make some more videos on it in future maybe. So just hang up there, put up your questions if any, and I think it's a good buy. It's priced a bit on the expensive side. Like if you compare it with Verna, maybe Verna comes on road, the second model petrol, it comes at around 12 lakhs and this one comes at 14 lakhs, so 2 lakhs. There is a price difference of 2 lakhs, but I think it's a bit too much. A price difference of 1.5 was good enough, but then 2 lakhs is a bit too much. But then if you want to go for a better petrol engine, for ample amount of space, like I think it's double the space of Verna in the cabin, then you can obviously go for the Honda City. So that's it, guys. I'll come up with more videos probably in near future, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.